So there has to be communication. I'll give you an example in some government structures. You have usually the Ministry of Labor, you have the Ministry of Youth, you have the Ministry of Gender. All these departments in a given government, they have supposedly some initiative they are doing that is aimed at either promoting women employment or youth employment. But they are not communicating, or even the policies. Sometimes you have an employment policy, you have different action plans from these different ministries, but the action plans are not coordinated. They're not, they're not aligned with each other. If you have this employment policy, action plans from these ministries should feed into the policy, and there has to be a coordinating, say the Ministry of Labor should coordinate all these efforts. But for now, you go and people do not know what is happening. The policies are there, they're good on paper, the action plans are there, they're good on paper, but who is doing what is important. Because if I know what you're doing, I won't replicate it. If we communicate, if you've done a program, say for instance a business plan competition, and you have an experience, there's still room for sharing knowledge for another program that's coming up. Maybe you take on some of the people who applied for the business plan and they didn't get this chance, and then you say, okay, I can take up. So there is need joint efforts, and also more importantly, the private sector has to be brought on board, because this is where the jobs are going to come from. In most of these discussions, the private sector is not really part of these discussions sometimes. So that's important, because you talk with the private sector, what do they need? And it's important to get this. That's what you call joined up thinking, or a coordinated approach to create jobs. So that's what I think.